These two knuckleheads, they think they're starving to death. They're like, we need in. Mom, we need in. They've been out all day long. They're broody. Hi, chickies. Hi, my Baducks. Who wants to come out and have some flopping time? Well, Chuck and little red hen do. She just, Henny Penny, she just wants in. It's a fight, keeping her from going in. And of course, here comes Princess Buttercup. Well, come on, hurry up, guys. Hurry, hurry. Oh, dang it, I missed her. She's in. Princess isn't, though. Yeah, Baduck. Hi, kids. Who's ready to storm? Is anybody going to storm the castle gate? I think they stopped storming the castle gate. They used to bring their feet up and push against it, and that's what got me saying they're storming the castle gate. But they don't storm anymore. They wait patiently. Well, come on. Yeah, we're about to go pick some blackberries, maybe some blueberries. So, wanted to let them out while we started picking. So I took Henny Penny out of the egg box, and she just turned into a pancake right there. She says, okay, I'll nest right here. Broody chickens are crazy. My husband always gives me a hard time about what I find to put veggies and fruits in. I'm telling you, an old time ice cream bucket, that'll work. Has a handle and everything. It's almost like it was made for it. So Hippie Elf asked to see the color of the eggs, since I talk about how many eggs we get. These all came from the kids. I'm going to get out in the sun so you can see the color better, maybe. But each one of them, depending on how much oyster shell they eat, has to do with the deepness and the pigment, I believe. I don't know, I'm guessing. But it's hard to tell the difference in the size. The one in the back is from the kids, and the one in the front is from the bigs. They're getting close to the same size. When they started out, the kids were about like ping pong balls. They were small. My husband said he didn't remember the eggs being so small, but they just gradually got bigger, and he forgot. But they start out small and they get larger with all chickens. It looks like the rush hour traffic has already passed. The traffic jam is over because I had two broody hens. Uh-oh, somebody's sneezing. Somebody sneezed several times. I'm going to check on that. That's a sound you really don't want to hear on a regular basis with your chickens. That means somebody's getting sick. Or allergies. Could be either. So when I hear that sound, what I immediately do is I get some electrolytes. Doesn't matter what kind you get. Look at the kids. The kids are all coming in. But I get some electrolytes and give them some electrolyte water. And then there's something that is like a Vicks Vapor Rub for chicken. And I will get that stuff. I'll find out what it's called. But I get that stuff and I put it on their comb and their wattles and under their wings. And little Peepa's the only one that had the sound that she was actually sick that I had to work on. And it saved her. Oh, chicken traffic jam. Baduck, baduck. I believe that was one of the kids that just went inside the coop. It was. She's coming back out. All the kids, no, there's one. One is still over at the tractor. One is going back to the tractor. Two are going back to the tractor. Nope. That's what happens. They start having chicken wars and they all run back to the tractor. Because they're little chicken. Oh, I can't say that on YouTube. You know what I mean. Baduck, baduck. Nugget, you don't have to be like that. I don't know about where you are. Whoops. It is in the 90s here. The 90s. They say it's going to be 97 this weekend, I think. I don't know about you, but that's pretty hot to you and me. Nugget's finally going in. Maybe the kids will be able to come back over for a sleepover. You gonna get them for a slumber party, Chuck? He tries. It's like herding cats. Herding chickens is like herding cats. I can really see the lightning bugs tonight. I don't know if you can see them, but they are out. See if any lightning bugs show up. He does not give up easily. Hey Chuck, is it time to say goodnight? Yeah, baduck to you too, buddy. A for effort. Baduck. That's night-night in chicken language.